Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about fixing the Bosch dishwasher error code C3. But first, what does this error code mean? The error code C3 on the Bosch dishwasher indicates a problem with the drainage. The following are some of the common causes of this error code: an incorrect dishwasher detergent, a kinked drain hose, or a clogged drain hose. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error. Use the correct dishwasher detergent. Ensure that you use a dishwasher-specific detergent in your machine. When purchasing a detergent for your dishwasher, ensure you check the owner's manual for the recommended detergent. Check the drain hose. Inspect the drain hose to ensure that it's not kinked or cramped. You can straighten the kinked sections by hand, or if the hose is damaged, consider replacing it. Unclog the drain hose. Use this procedure. Switch off the dishwasher, disconnect the drain pipe from the garbage disposal, and remove any food and debris within the pipe. Disconnect the hose from the pump and place it in an empty bucket. Use a piece of metal wire to dislodge any visible clogs. Reinstall the drain hose to the pump. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.